Ever dream of traveling the world, but felt held back by the complexities of foreign currency exchange? Imagine a world where managing your travel money is as easy as using your phone. Well, fret no more. Because today, we're diving into the world of YouTrip, a revolutionary travel money solution designed to make your adventures seamless and stress-free. But before we pack our virtual bags, let's unpack the name itself, YouTrip. Break it down. YouTrip is a clever combination of two words, U and trip. U signifies that it's a personalized experience tailored to your travel needs. It's all about you, the globetrotter, the explorer, the wanderlust soul. And trip speaks for itself. It represents the exciting journeys you'll embark on, from bustling cityscapes to serene beaches. YouTrip empowers you to conquer those trips with confidence, knowing your finances are under control. Beyond the name. But YouTrip goes way beyond just a catchy name. It's a powerful app that lets you manage multiple currencies in one place. Say goodbye to bulky wallets stuffed with foreign bills. With YouTrip, you can load various currencies, USD, Euro, SGD, JPY, you name it. Spend like a local, use your YouTrip card abroad for seamless transactions with competitive exchange rates. Track your expenses, keep tabs on your spending with real-time transaction notifications. Enjoy peace of mind. YouTrip offers security features like chip and PIN technology and lost card protection. YouTrip, your travel companion. YouTrip isn't just a financial tool, it's your travel companion. It simplifies the process, allowing you to focus on creating unforgettable memories. Imagine exploring vibrant markets in Thailand without worrying about haggling over exchange rates. Picture yourself indulging in delicious street food in Vietnam, confident that your YouTrip card will handle the payment effortlessly. With YouTrip by your side, navigating foreign currencies becomes a breeze. No more hidden fees, no more last-minute scrambling to find exchange booths. YouTrip empowers you to embrace the adventure, knowing your finances are secure and well managed. Call to action. So, are you ready to ditch the travel money hassle and unlock a world of worry-free exploration? Download the YouTrip app today and get ready to experience the world like never before. With YouTrip, the only limits are your own imagination. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.